Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this tutorial, we are going to learn about two important tools. One is called as Call Summary and the other one is called as Call Explorer, which are tools provided by Einstein Generative AI. We need to understand the difference between the two, and a question will definitely come from this particular topic. So please pay extra attention to this as well. Einstein Conversation Insight users can create generative call summaries on voice and video calls. So if you want to create a summary of a voice or video call, let's say the conversation is an hour long and you don't have an hour to sit through the whole entire listen to this voice and video call. So this call summary will create a summary of that call for you, and you can literally see that call summary and you'll be able to get what this call is all about. Whereas Call Explorer is basically used when you have a particular question to be asked from the voice call or video call directly. That is when you're going to use Call Explorer. If you have a question that you need the answer for, you're going to use Call Explorer. But if you want a summary of the entire call, then you're going to use Call Summary. Now you need permission sets as well. So in order for Call Summary to work, the user needs to have Einstein Sales Call Summary permission set, whereas the Call Explorer permission set is Einstein Sales Call Explorer permission set in order for them to ask the question and get the answer from video or voice call. So let's go ahead and go through these two documents. Einstein Conversation Insight users can generate generative call summaries on voice and video calls. So if you want a summary of your call, you're going to use Call Summaries. Powered by Einstein, the new Summary tab on call records allow users to create editable summaries that include next steps and customer feedback, and share summaries for easier team collaborations in the flow of work. So if you basically want editable summaries, which also include the next steps, and you want customer feedback, all of this is provided by Call Summaries. This feature is available to users with Einstein Sales Call Summaries permission set. So the permission set is Einstein Sales Summaries permission set and access to a voice or video call. So you need two things. One is the permission set, and also you need access to the voice or video call. Users without the permission set can see and copy summary data if they have access to the record, but they cannot create or edit call summaries. So they won't be able to edit the call summaries, but they will be able to see the call summary and copy the call summary if they have access to the record. So this is how you see it. There is going to have a call summary tab. You're going to have access to the video call, and then in the call summary, you're going to see the summary of that call. A standard call summary includes the summary itself, the customer impression, and any next steps. Click the Create Call Summary button to create a summary for a voice or video call. So you can see here there is this Create Call Summary thing, and you can get a summary of your call. Click the edit button to update the content in a call summary. So if you, let's say you didn't like something and you wanted to change it, you can do that. So there are three things that are available: customer feedback, call summary, and the next steps. So all these things are available within your call summary. Now the other important thing is Call Explorer. Call Explorer basically is if you have a question that you need answer from the video or voice call, that is when you're going to use Call Explorer. Einstein Conversation Insights user can ask questions directly from voice and video call records. Powered by Einstein, the new Call Explorer allows users to quickly gather information about a call, such as product mentions or outstanding customer questions. So that is what Call Explorer covers. This feature is available to users with this permission set, Einstein Sales Call Explorer permission set, and you also need access to a voice or video call record. To bring up the Call Explorer, use the Explore Conversation button. So there is going to be the Explore Conversation button, and you can ask questions like, why was peak systems mentioned? So like things like that. You can, if you have a question, you can directly ask the video call or the voice call and you will get the answer. Enter questions related to the call and Einstein will provide you an answer. Call Explorer delivers one answer per query. Previous questions and answers are not stored. Call Explorer is currently supported for calls which are in English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, and Spanish. So these are the languages it supports. So these are the two important tools that you need to remember, which are powered by Einstein Generative AI. Call Explorer and Call Summary. A question will definitely come from this particular topic, so please read both of these documents. Okay, thank you very much.